Hi, I am Tim Reinhart, sales rep for JDS Industries. I will be covering the states of Michigan, Indiana, Kentucky, Ohio, and West Virginia. I bring nearly 25 years of experience in the awards and personalization industry with my roles in production, sales, purchasing, and product development. I look forward to using that experience for you and your business to help provide solutions to your challenges. Please contact me at any time to find out more about our diverse product line of awards and gifts, along with learning more about the many tools from JDS Industries that can help you be successful. You can reach me at 317-513-6956 or by email at timr@jdsindustries.com. Thank you, and I look forward to speaking with you very soon.